What are you looking at?
Ferris Wheel.
Where? Oh.
It's the same Ferris Wheel from Llandudno.
Yeah, we went on this, you remember?
No.
The same one?
I don't remember.
Oh, we can zoom in.
I think I'm not.
Llandudno.
And now I'm not scared of the heights.
We said Llandudno a minute ago. Pier view, look, it's the same one. So they brought it all the way from there. There it is. Llandudno Pier.
Hello, we're on the same route in Llandudno.
Llandudno. Live in front of me. What the view from that side is.
I'm talking.
This is the view from this side.
Oh, I don't feel safe.
Oh, it's a big drop. I think we're coming out now. Oh, you can see the boats.
When you come up in the air.
That's the speedboat.
No, let's go in the speedboat.
Hmm?
Who's riding it? I don't know.
That's the boats.
Look behind you.
Speedboat, jet ride, and 2 jet rides.
Daddy.
Big view of Llandudno.
Oh, Grand Hotel. We have to go there.
There you got a super big view.
This is the Ferris Wheel at night. Can we go on it? Go on it. Can we go on it?
What?
Are we gonna go on it?
Yeah, get in queue. Go, quick. So about halfway up. Steady.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. cup of kindness yet for all lang syne, for all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
Yeah, hey, hold it. Yeah, the reflection.